Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, open this AppSheet link in incognito window and log in it with your credential. Click on this Google. Now copy this username, paste it here. Then again copy this password, paste it here, login. Now click on this I understand. Now click on continue, then allow. Now close this unwanted pop-up and come back to the lab instruction page. For task number 1, click on this task number 1 and open this contact spreadsheet link in incognito window. Now wait for some time and close this pop-up and click on this file, then click on this file, then make a copy. And for name, come back to lab instruction page. From point number 2 of task 1, copy this name, personal contacts, copy this and paste it here. And now click on this make a copy. Okay, so we are done with the task number 1. For next task, come on to this AppSheet tab, then click on this create, select this app and select this start with existing data. And for app name, come back to the lab instruction page, click on task number 2, scroll down little bit, you will get this app name. From point number 4 of task number 2, copy this name, customer contacts and paste it here. For category, select this customer engagement and click on this choose your data. Then select this Google Sheet and then select this personal contacts and click on this select. Now wait for some time. Okay, so we are now done with this task number 2 also. Then for task number, now directly come on to the task number 5 and come back to this AppSheet screen. Wait for some time to get the to load all the data. Close that unwanted pop-up and now wait for some time. Okay, now click on this add button and for ID come back to your lab instruction. For ID we have to select 51. Then for email address, copy this email, paste it here. Then for name, again lab instruction, copy this, paste it here. For last name, copy this, paste it here. And for phone number, copy this and paste it here. Now click on this save button. So okay, so we are also done with this task number 5 and now we are done with this lab. You can simply click on check my progress for each and every task. You will get the score. Wait for some time because lab takes time to update the score. Okay, so we have got the green tick in task number 1. Now come on to task number 1 at task number 2 and click on this check my progress. Here also we have got the green tick for task number 5. Click on this check my progress. Okay, there. So we are done with this lab. Now you can simply end this lab. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this tutorial video, then hit the subscribe and like button.